Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid severe burns. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and skin from harmful fluids. Gather all your tools, including a drain pan, wrenches, and the correct type of new coolant, before you begin the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe procedure. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Locate the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the radiator on one side. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the drain plug and allow the old coolant to completely empty from the system. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and preparing for fresh fluid. After draining, securely close the radiator drain plug. For a thorough flush, fill the system with distilled water, run the engine until warm, then drain again. This helps remove any remaining old coolant or debris. Once flushed, refill the system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of coolant and distilled water. Ensure the reservoir is also filled to the correct level. The final step is to bleed any trapped air from the cooling system. Run the engine with the heater on high, allowing the thermostat to open, and squeeze the radiator hoses to help release air bubbles. Top off the coolant as needed. After a test drive, recheck the fluid levels and inspect for any leaks. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.